Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing and trying on the June 2022 ice cream box. I'm so excited for this box. This box has been amazing. Now, if you're not familiar with this box, it's a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month. It's very heavily on the makeup side. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. They also do offer a bag for $12.50 a month. I believe that one has 3 to 5 items in it. If you're looking to grow your makeup collection or you just love makeup like me, you're gonna love this box because it really is amazing. I've been getting this box since December and I have loved every single box that I've gotten. So if you're wanting to sign up, I have a coupon code and it's Michelle10 and you're gonna get 10% off your first subscription box. But look how cute the box is. They changed it up this month. It's a bit smaller than the other boxes, which actually works out great because it was able to fit my mailbox and the mail lady didn't have to like stuff it in there like she normally does. I have an issue with my mail lady. But anyways, if you like these types of videos, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So this is what the card looks like. It's June, summer days and summer nights. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is going to be the star of the show, which is always the palettes for me. That's always the star. I love eyeshadow palettes. If you've been watching me, you know that. So we get 2 of them. I'm super excited. So this counts as one item. These retail for $24. So the pink one is the Sweets palette and the purple one is the Lavender palette. They are very pretty pastel colors, so I'm excited to try these. So next up we have highlighting drops and these retail for $35. The packaging is gorgeous. It has a dropper that doesn't work. It's like squished in. Oh, that's kind of a bummer, but that's okay. So next up we have the Day and Night Lip Liner Duo, and this retails for $7. Up next we have a mascara, and this is the Max Lash Volumizing Mascara. This retails for $24. The brush definitely looks different. It has like a flat side to it, so I'm kind of interested in seeing how that's going to work. Last but not least is this kabuki brush. This thing is gorgeous. This retails for $42. But this is so nice. Like, this could be used for your body, but I'm going to use it for my face today to set my powder. So I'm just going to take this kabuki brush and I'm just going to dip it in my setting powder a little bit on the corner and like set under my eye because that corner just fits right under your eye perfectly. Oh, that is such a nice brush. Ooh. Let's set my lid. This is actually like really nice to set your face with. Wow. This also would be really nice to put on the highlighter drops to rub on like my shoulders and my chest area. That would be so pretty. Wow, that I really like this brush. So this might be the like star of the show because this is so nice. I really liked how this set my makeup, to be honest with you. And the size of it is amazing. Like, I mean, it covers almost your entire face. It fits right under your eye, in between your eyebrows. Ooh, I like this a lot. So I'm gonna do my lips now just because they feel dry. Like this color. That's kind of cute. So now I'm just going to take this lighter one and fill my lip in. So these are very creamy and they were super easy to work with. These are usually not my colors, but it really doesn't look bad. I don't mind these colors. So I'm just gonna take a lip gloss and put over top. Very cute though, I like that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this shade in my transition area. And I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and get it in my crease and build it up. So now I'm gonna switch over to the shade here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take that really pretty purple shade right there and put that on the outer crease. Oh, that's pretty. These colors so far are very creamy. So no complaints about these eyeshadows. They're going on so easily. They're showing up very nicely. That's a gorgeous purple. I love that. Switching over to the Sweets palette, I'm going to use this shade right here in the center. So I'm just going to put that on a flat brush and put that on the inner portion of my lid. Oh, that's so pretty. This pink is so pretty though. And the pink and the purple are just meshing together so nicely. Yeah. This palette is really nice. I'm loving these two palettes. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take this a light shade right here and use that for the inner corner and the brow bone. Wow, these shades are so pretty. So I'm just gonna take that purple shade and use that for underneath of my lash line. So I'm gonna jump off camera really quick, finish the rest of my face makeup, and come back and use the highlighter and the mascara. Okay, so I'm back. I did my bronzer and my blush. So now I'm gonna try out these highlighter drops. And another thing that I like to do with highlighter drops is I like to add them to my body lotion and then rub it all over my body, and it just gives you this nice like glow. Oh, look at how pretty. And it's not lifting my makeup underneath, so that's nice. You don't need a whole lot, just a little. Wow, look at how pretty. Run some down my nose. I love this highlighter. Isn't that gorgeous? Love. So cute. This would be so pretty in a lotion. You could put it all over and you're just gonna look like you have this really pretty glow. Okay, so now last but not least is the mascara. I'm excited to try this because the wand looks so different. It's like flat on one side. So I'm kind of curious to see what this is gonna do. I mean, it's getting in there and lifting them up. I mean, holy moly, that's just one coat. That's pretty good mascara, actually. So this one has 2 coats and this one has 1 coat. Like, this mascara is pretty good. I'm liking it so far. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I am so happy with this month's box. I am like so happy with everything. So I'm just gonna run over everything really quick and give you my final thoughts. These eyeshadow palettes, I love them. They worked so well. These are amazing. They are super creamy and they blended out really well. The color payoff is there, so I love these palettes and I'm super happy that I got them. These 2 lip liners, I would not pick these colors for myself, but that's what I love about subscription boxes, is that you get to try things that you normally wouldn't. It gets you out your comfort zone, and I like this color on me, so yay. I am glad that I got these. Very creamy and they went on super smooth, so love these. The highlighter, love the highlighter. This is such a pretty highlighter, and it's in the shade Champagne. I forgot to say. I love this highlighter. It sucks that the little thingy is like broke. It won't like suck anything up, but I mean, really, that's not that big of an issue. I mean, this is a thick formula, so it's a really nice highlighter. I like this a lot. The mascara, yes, I love this mascara. It really got in there and lifted my lashes and gave me a lot of volume, so I love this mascara as well. And I love the Kabuki brush. I really think that this surprised me probably the most, because I did not expect to like this brush as much as I did. I really liked it for setting my foundation. So that's probably what I'm going to use it for, but it would also be great for like your body. It would work really good for that because of the size, but this is definitely a nice brush. Okay, you guys, so that was everything. I absolutely loved June's ice cream box. It was phenomenal. They knocked it out of the park once again. Ice cream has been killing it. I love the ice cream box. Like, it's my favorite subscription box. They always give you some really good products every month. So I absolutely love ice cream. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys get the ice cream box, if you loved this month's box or not. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!